Yo, what's going on, guys? Quick little bit of analysis. Not really much going on in the market right now. Not really doing too much trading as well. So, something I wanted to look at in terms of analysis is times of day things are happening. So, what I'm gonna quickly do, I'm gonna get my calendar up, and so I know this week we started on the 17th. And the week before we started on the 10th. So these are the Mondays. And pretty much I want to look at, so the 10th to the 15th. I really just want to look at like sort of London, New York and Asia sessions in between these times. So just want to see what's been going on and see if I can match it to what's going on in the world right now. So, and then the 17th, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's cool. So let me make these lines thicker. Let me get rid of these drawings as well. Oh yeah, of course, I want these. I'll leave this weekly level up as well. So we got this level. Just gonna clone this thick one here. Seventeenth or 15th. Say 15th end of the day. 11. And then 17th. Cool. So on the 10th, that's the Asia session here. So Asia would be from about 1 we could say 1 to 6. We'll do 1 to 7. That bit there. We've got another Asia session here. What's this? Wait, let me make sure I got this right. Yeah, Asia session there. Asia session somewhere here. what I was hoping to see is I was hoping to see some form of selling, I can't lie. Somewhere around here. I'm going to actually make these boxes bigger because I don't think I'm getting the right times. That looks fine. It's like Asia going into UK. Asia going into UK. Just before Asia going into UK. This is a bit too early. Asia starts around here, going into there. We got another one somewhere here, possibly. Yeah, going into UK. Yeah, and that's fine for this week. So the reason why I'm marking these out is just to see what was happening in those areas. I'm going to go down into the 30-minute. And for the most part, it looks like we had consolidation, not much action. The reason why I wanted to look at Asia sessions is pretty much because of what's going on with China and a little bit of economic crisis with all the sort of talk of debt and supply chain issues, manufacturing sort of countries, and a lot of big companies sort of moving away from China in terms of manufacturing. And yeah, just the property market and all the sort of defaults with their property developers and things like that. So it sounds like it might be heating up in terms of the issues in China's economy. And I just wanted to see if I could see any sort of signs of selling in Asia to possibly back that up. But what it looks like we're getting is we're kind of getting periods of pretty much ranging in Asia, followed by, you know, a fair movement, most probably news related or fairly manipulative. London, going through London into New York session. So not well, that was last week anyway. Not what I was kind of looking for. If we go into next week, so I believe this is the weekend we got here, or Saturday at least. That's wait, no, that's cap. That's Sunday, right? Yeah, so 15th was Saturday. So just marked out Saturday as well. But going into Monday, we've got this Asia session here. And was that the low of the, was these the highs of the week possibly? Highs of the week. So we got high of the week up here. High of the week up there. We got another Asia session. When is it? Yesterday. Well, this was Sunday. say Tuesday Asia session was around here. And then today's Asia session somewhere around here. And we're getting another one starting off in a little bit, which will be somewhere around here. And we can see here that obviously we got the highs made in Asia session and the sell-off going into London this week. Haven't been able to make new highs in any of the Asia sessions yet. We have had sell-offs from pumps up in previous sessions before. So I'm wondering if we're gonna continue that sort of not theory but sort of sentiment going into this Asia session, or if we're gonna start looking at highs. Because this area here, I would expect this area here to need some level of probing before any move down. You can see here that price sold off from this level, came back, retested, and just sold off again. I think this as well is an order block defined by Mr. Inner Circle Trader himself. So yeah, possibly continuation here. I have to wait and see. Back to my trades, they're pretty much just sitting around, not doing much right now. BNB is getting nearer to my entry, which is okay. And BTC is just kind of sitting around my entry. But yeah, nothing big happening there. Not much more to say really. I mean, Bitcoin's the only thing I really want to pay attention to right now, because obviously it drives the market. Cardano, I bought at like near 150, just because I wanted to get into Sunday swap. So I bought a little bit of that. I ended up selling half of what I bought, just to have the money in stables. I don't think I really want to be trading right now, but sometime this weekend I'm going to be setting up the staking for Sunday swap. So if anyone wants to get on Cardano on the actual blockchain and stake, I'll be going through that most probably Saturday after the football, which I think is around 5 o'clock. So I might actually set a call for it. Let me just check when the football is. Saturday 3, yeah, so maybe like 6, 7. But yeah, that's all I really got for today. A quick one. I'm not gonna waste too much time. Late night things, time to go to bed, man. But yeah, just another way of looking at the market really. don't really look at time too much, and for looking at sentiment in terms of what is happening in certain sessions, it's quite good to sort of get time up, highlight it, and see what's happening. You can see Asia's clearly biased towards selling. We can see UK going into New York kind of followed suit on Monday, held price yesterday, and I don't know whether that's manipulation or liked price being held and thought to buy. I'm not too sure, but price has come back down now. So yeah, definitely interesting, and it will definitely be interesting to see what happens next. In terms of liquidity, obviously I've said this level here, I would expect some form of, stops to be up here, decent amount of stops. You didn't get the break of this high up here from this sell-off, so may get attacked before we continue lower, if we are going to continue lower. And then from there, I wouldn't really say this level is the same. Obviously, these lows just over here have already been attacked. Possibly a break of structure though. So possibly confirmation of lower prices inbound. If we got a close below that low, can't really tell. Yeah, we kind of did. So possibly because we got a swing high here, swing failure into this order block, and the break of market structure here, that might be, in terms of price action, a signal that we could continue lower down into 40k. And then we just have these levels here. I'm not sure where this is in terms of price, but I think that's already been wicked through. Yeah, that's been wicked through. So all those longing at those levels are now out. And then the next is these here, I guess. All of these longing these levels down here, and possibly the ones down here. But it's all about who they are and how much money they've got to protect their stops, really. And then obviously on the upside we have this level, I think high of the week. Well, if you count just Monday to Friday, high of the week right here. Really forget weekends trading. High of the week, we could possibly see this as the low of the week when it hasn't been decided yet. But if we don't break this low, that's the low of the week, and then this is our week range, or this week's range. So yeah, gonna leave it there. If anybody ends up watching this, appreciate you. Like and subscribe, and if you're not already in our Telegram group chats, jump in. Trading every day. Yeah, let's get it.